Welcome back. I'm Jeremy from Hazel Tools, and I'm your YouTube Snap-on guy. Hope you're all having a safe Memorial weekend, and I would like to say thank you to all you who have and are serving. We're doing the official June marketing kit today. Let's just go ahead and open it right up. Once again, we're using the Kershaw 1660 in purple. Nice sharp blade. And let's see what we got. I'll tilt this down. Nothing in here to hide. So we get the packing list that shows what's all in here. 2 bundles of flyers. As soon as I can, I'll get these listed on Instagram and on Facebook. Don't forget to sign up for Snapchat and hit that subscribe button on YouTube. Here's the other one. Our receipt backers, so the paper that we put in the printer, print your receipts on. Got 5 bundles of them. All the pictures on these will correspond with the flyers. I don't want to look at them because I have not seen what's in the flyers yet. Looks like we have instant rebates up to $2,700. So this is a little card for us to show where the rebate levels are at. June 2019 DVD. Van danglers. Once again, these will correspond with what's inside the flyers. I don't want to look at it yet. I don't want to ruin it. Intelligence runs in our family. We have the Zeus, the Triton D8, and the Apollo D8. That's all that's in the box. It's time to open the flyers. Intelligence runs in our family with the Zeus, the Triton, and the Apollo D8. So let's go ahead and open this up. And it looks like the first page, we have the latest addition to our Intelligent Diagnostics family is the Triton D8. I do have a video I did on that a couple, probably 3-4 weeks ago. I have not had a chance to edit it. I will get to that and get it out there. But it does show about Intelligent Diagnostics, time-saving smart data. We got a heck of a glare here today. Functional tests and resets, built-in scope, access to TSBs, SureTrack validation. And then we have the Intelligent Diagnostics quick reference guide on this page where they compare the Zeus, the Triton D8, and the Apollo D8 as far as screen size, live graphs, things to that nature. So this will help when deciding which diagnostic platform's right for you. Organization plus illumination. So I showed you these a couple of videos ago. We have the new 1/2-inch drive 3-row sockets, and you can get these red, orange, green, or black, metric or standard. They look like they run about 35 bucks. Part number is a KA123, fractional or metric, and then pick your color. And then the other one was the 14.4 micro lithium 700 lumen shop light. And we went over that one a couple videos ago as well. So just a refresher. 2 buttons on the back. One for the top light. One for the front light. Uses the 14.4 micro lithium batteries. And it does have a nice hook on the back that is balanced with the battery in it. So you can adjust it however you need it to be. Instant rebates up to $2,700, and ask your dealer how to get a free hat. Don't ask me. These hats are for my customers. You got to ask your own dealer how to get a free hat. So let's look at some more deals that we have here in the flyer. Page 5 it says buy and get. Buy the 7-piece drive metric hex bit standard sockets. Get the 8-piece combination drive metric hex bit stubby socket. Free. Buy one, get one free. And then they do the same thing down below. So we have the metric setup, and then it looks like we have the inverted torques and the stubby out torques. So that is your page 5. Power and precision is on page 6, and I'm kind of laughing a little bit because we just did a video a couple days ago about these ones right here. So we have the Snap-on pliers and cutters. It's a 3-piece precision plier set. The PLP 300A. PLP 300A. I will never forget that part number. We also have the 3-piece plier set. It is the PL 305 ACFO. And then the 7-inch wire stripper crimpers, as well as the terminal crimping tool. So that's some stuff new that I haven't seen in the flyer in a while. That's awesome. Lightweight, long-lasting muscle. So here we have, this is the impacting quick chuck. So this is a 3/8 impact with the quick chuck on it. We got the 1/4-inch hex, the 1/4-inch square adapter. You can get the kit, you can get it with one battery, you can get it with just the tool itself. So a couple different ways to get that set up with that 3/8 gun with the quick chuck on there instead of with the anvil. Down below, shallow impact swivel socket sets, 6-piece 1/4-inch drive, shallows in standard and in metric. So we have the standards on the top and the metrics on the bottom. Page 8, reach for accessibility, comfort, and color. So we have some different ratchets up here. Looks like the 1/2-inch drive dual 80 soft grip, the dual 80 soft grip long handled flex, and the 1/2-inch dual 80 soft grip extra long handled. A, B, and C. Look at that, buy one and get one. So what does it say here? Buy the 5-piece 1/2-inch drive Wobble Plus extension set. Get the 1/2-inch drive 24-inch soft grip handle breaker bar. Buy that, get that. If you guys are not familiar with the Wobble Plus, let me show you. So the head is designed a little bit different than a Wobble. And I know the promo is for a 1/2-inch drive. This is a 3/8, but we'll go ahead and put a socket on here. When the socket's pushed all the way on there, it's a rigid setup. Push the socket up just a little bit, and now the extension acts as a Wobble. So you get the Wobble properties plus the rigid properties in the Wobble Plus setup. Page 9, we have our 3/8 Monster Lithium setup, the CT8810A, with the, this is the whole kit. So you get the 2 batteries, the charger, the whole deal. They got a $75, get up to $75 with trade-in on that deal. Down below, we have more impact wobbles. So what we have is a buy one, get one. So you buy the deep metric, these are 3/8 6 points. You get the shallow metric in 3/8 6 points, or buy the standard in the longs and get the shallow standards for free. Essential gear for every day in the shop. 12-volt lithium-ion compact engine starter with USB charger and light. We have the 6, 12, and 4 amp battery maintainer. The butane gas soldering kit. Multifunctional thermometer. The graveyard welding helmet. Can you see all the skulls on that? Page 11, we have ProLink Ultra Heavy Duty Diagnostics for heavy duty trucks. And it says we have 12 colors available in these setups. So these setups are ideally for heavy duty truck shops, fleet maintenance, municipalities, things to that nature. And this comes with 3 software titles. You get the standard J1708, the standard 1939, and the OBD2 and EOBD software for the pickup trucks and things to that nature that aren't quite the medium or heavy duty. So you also get the OBD adapter for that as well. Let's get on to the last page. If you follow me on Snapchat, you would have seen a picture of this real time, probably about 2 weeks ago. It says tool storage specials, hot, fresh, and just for you. And we have the new color setup, 68-inch Epic. Candy apple red drawers, black trim, black box. And it says, ask your franchisee or other sales representative for more information. And limited edition Snap-on pizza oven. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching me and spend some time with me today. Like I said, I hope you're having a safe Memorial Day. It's getting a little bit late. I got to get out of here. I'll see you next time. So they're a KA, and then for 1/2-inch drive, it's going to be a 1, 2...